Abby, and I'll be showing you today how the seasons work. So over here, you can see that there. Let me just get to that. There is a picture right here. So this is from a video that we watched, and so first this that's loading. So these are all this. This is the sun, and here different one different it's like different times when the earth is like happened. So let me get this a little bigger. So let me see if I can get this. Can you guys see it? Okay, so sorry, it's slow. Okay, so um actually we are here's the sun, and here is the equator. It's like right here and right here, and then the equator is actually right here up here. So over here, I think it's the northern hemisphere is getting direct sunlight. So it's summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. And over here, so here's the southern hemisphere. Wait, the southern hemisphere. Well, actually, here's the southern hemisphere. Oh no, here's the yeah. So the northern hemisphere gets summer, and the southern is not. And this is the southern hemisphere has summer, and the northern has winter. Then up here, so here's the equator. So it looks so the equator is actually getting more sunlight. Then over here we can't see it. Okay, so I'm also going to. So I'm gonna try. Okay, so here's what else I'm gonna be showing. So I'm gonna demonstrate how seasons work. So I'm gonna tell you some like words. So a rotation. A rotation is one like so. Here's the sun. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. Here's the sun. Just this season. Well, okay. So the sun is right here, and a rotation is when the Earth, which is just gonna be this. What? No. Wait, no. Wrong thing. Sorry. Is when the so here's gonna be the Earth's axis. I'm just gonna use this toothpick. I'm gonna put it through the styrofoam ball. Let's see if I can try and get this, because this is gonna be its axis. I want to make it big enough so you guys can see. Oops, let me put this in a diagonal. So the Earth is like at oh no, sun fell. Okay, so here's the Earth, and it's like on a tilt. It's not probably not this tilt, and one time when it spins around. So let's pretend I should have had magic. So oh no, these are so. Let's see, does this work? Okay, we got it. Yay! And okay, so it's not exactly even. And since I didn't get another toothpick, I'll be right back. And sorry, I didn't. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this toothpick because here's gonna be something I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna put this person just like right here, and I'm gonna pretend that this is a person. I'm so sorry. So the Earth is spinning, and this this is a rotation where it turns once, like this or something. Then I'm gonna take all those toothpicks out, and then revolution. I think that's what it's called. Sorry if I didn't say it correctly. That's when the Earth. That's 365 days. So here's the sun, And when the Earth goes around, when the Earth goes around 365 days. So this is 360. Oh, 5 days. Another 365 days. So that's a rotation. And then a season. A, a season is when is like when the Earth so it goes goes it's when it's so let me use my arms for this because I can't exactly show it. So I'm gonna stand up just for a bit. So here's the sun, and a season's like when it goes from summer, winter. No wait, sorry, sorry. This is like summer, winter, spring, fall. So it's just like a little bit moving around. Well, besides that, so what I'm really trying to say is when the sun just goes around. Oh, well, the sun just goes around like a little bit all the time. So the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere gets direct sunlight. So let's pretend that this line. If you don't see this, there's a line like right here. Let's pretend that's the equator. So here's the equator right here. Okay. The sun right now is getting the southern hemisphere is getting direct sunlight. So that means in the southern hemisphere, it is summer, and in the northern hemisphere, right here, is getting winter. And then I have something I got. I learned that that the equator gets direct sunlight in the equator gets direct sunlight in the fall or summer. I mean, it's fall or spring, and I think that's correct. I'm sorry if it's not. And then another thing I like to show you is, as you can see in this video, here's like a flashlight kind of thing, and it is using heat waves to go so I'm gonna use a flashlight. And here's the Earth. Like this is giving direct. Oh, it's giving direct to the Earth. So let's see, it's getting direct to the sun. And then this is how. So right now, southern. Now it's like fall or spring. So it's fall or spring. So maybe probably right now. This is probably spring. Maybe I think that this would be fall. I think that's correct. And now it's some. Oh no. Okay, let's keep going again. Let's try that again. So, southern hemisphere, it's summertime in southern hemisphere. And I think this is spring. I'm not. I think this is spring. And the other side, right over here, is having fall. I think I'm not positive. Then now the northern hemisphere, it's summer. And now this part of the Earth is getting spring, and this part's fall. I think that's all correct, but I'm not super duper positive. I think it is, but so another thing I'm gonna, in your video, explain all the differences between days and seasons. Okay, I think I showed you guys that. Remember, this is a year. This is 1 year. This is a day. It's like 10. And then a season is like when it's like half. It's like just going a little bit at a time. And then make sure you explain how the tilt of the Earth is the primary reason for seasons. I don't know if I showed you guys that. So I'm gonna use a styrofoam ball again, and I'm gonna put a new. I took out the toothpick, so it's just. I'm gonna put a toothpick in. Oh. And then here's the. Oops, I am. Ow. This is a small toothpick. Okay. Sorry, that was a small toothpick. So here's the axis, and it's tilted just a bit, and it's turning like this. So the axis, the tilt of it is a primary reason for the seasons, because the tilt of it is the way. So here's the sun again. the tilt of it shows you when the seasons are. So if you were getting, if it does, if yeah, let me start up, please. If your part of the Earth, the southern hemisphere, the northern hemisphere, is if this is, wait, if the northern hemisphere is getting sunlight, then it's summer there, and the southern hemisphere is getting um is getting winter. I think I showed you guys that, with the flashlight, you know, flashlight, because then it's all this. Remember? Okay. And then the last thing I want to tell you guys about is I'm gonna move me down this way. And then today we mystery Skype with people who live in South Ecuador in South America, and I'm gonna show you how seasons are like for those people. Well, sorry, like the climate and stuff. So the coastal lowlands in the western part of the Ecuador are typically warm with temperatures in the region of 25 degrees Celsius, so that's 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Coastal areas are affected by ocean currents, and between January and April are hot and rainy. The weather in so in the western part, so let's pretend that I know this. Okay, wait. So if that's in South America, so I'm gonna use this then. Okay. This is big. Okay. So let me first find South America. Let's say Africa. South America. South America. You see, this is South America. Sorry, is right over here. They live. Let's see. Let's see if I can find it. I'm sorry if you see it and I don't. Okay, I can't find it. So I'm gonna say that the seasons are for them. So let's say, here's the equator. This gold line right here. And if this is always pointing this way, and the Earth is always spinning around the sun, so if this way is always spinning this way, this will be going this. So this stays here, but this would be, let's say, sun's here. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. See the sun here. This tilt, I'm gonna call it the tilt thing. The Earth spins while the sun stays in one spot, but it goes slower. And the seasons for them are just the opposite of the north hemisphere. So since they live in the southern hemisphere, since they probably live like down here, I don't know where they actually live, and I live in the northern hemisphere. So let's just say that it is summer in the northern hemisphere, then it's winter in the southern hemisphere, and this is south and then north and south, east and west, and then when it's like east and west, it's like directly on the equator. So I think I got most of the stuff, and I'm sorry if I said words wrong or